What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, we're going to discuss SoFi and some things you need to know. But listen, before we dive into it, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. More importantly, make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, you already know, man. I just want to do some quick housekeeping. Let me know if you guys either paid off some debt today or paid on some debt this particular week. Okay, also, guys, one thing that's very important: if you are investing, especially on your high risk plays, guys, please make sure you are using a stop loss. Matter of fact, do a quick overview right now of your portfolio. If you have some plays in there that are on a little bit on the risky side, make sure you have a stop loss on at a level that you're comfortable getting out of so that you can maintain your capital. Okay, always manage your risk. Today, guys, we're going to be looking at SoFi, and really quickly, man, because I love this game, but more importantly, I love you guys and I care about your success. All right, I laid out some rules and parameters and some principles that I go by and how I invest and why I dominate the stock market in the fashion in which I do. Okay, I'm going to lay these things out for you guys today, and please follow along so that you can have this. Matter of fact, screenshot this if you need to. Okay, SoFi stock, this is for my long-term investors. Okay, long-term is anywhere from 1 to 3 years is when I'm talking long-term. Okay, and so I'm thinking that you guys are having that type of time horizon when I call out these plays. All right, now check this out. Goal number one: if you've been with me any amount of time, you guys already know how we give it up. Okay, we get 125 shares of everything. That's always our first minimum goal. However, beyond 125 shares, guys, we are trying to accumulate and obtain 1,000 shares. Reason being is, whether you got 125 or 1,000, what happens is when I help you guys double your money, triple your money, you will see the real fruit in that, in terms of, man, I had 10,000, now it's 20,000. I had 50,000 and now I have 100,000 in total. It's a lot different than only having $20 and then I help you guys do your thing and then you only have $40. Okay, that's one reason why we try to get anywhere from 125 to 1,000 shares. Plus, this allows me to teach you guys how to sell options so that you guys can also make and generate passive income. Okay, the buy zones for this, guys, is 790 and below. I've always been talking about SoFi specifically, guys. If you're going to build out any type of position, you want to do it under $8. So back when it was $5 up through this $8 range, okay, that's where you want to kind of be accumulating your shares. You want your average cost to be in that range. So I kind of laid it out for you because I say 8 and below, but just in case you guys need more concrete than that, 790 or below, 680 or below, 550. But check this out, guys. In the event something unforeseen happens, a black swan event happens, your stop loss is to be at or around that $5.10 mark. So therefore, you can reassess, you can re-enter the play if you need to, but you are not allowing your portfolio to blow up or be dragged down by any stock. I'm showing you this for SoFi. Please consider using this for any other stocks you may own, especially if they are on the high risk side. Okay, all right, check it out, guys. Why SoFi Technologies climbed 20% in June? Some of those reasons and some of the key points behind that was that the debt ceiling standoff ended with a provision to end the federal student loan repayment moratorium. Okay, you guys know by now the Supreme Court ruled against the student loan forgiveness. Therefore, student loan payments will resume. And so again, that in retrospect should be a positive, if you will, for SoFi. However, remember I taught you guys about buy the rumor, sell the news. This type of event was one of those type of events. SoFi has already ran up from $4 or $5 up to $10. Okay, and so a lot of people are taking profits. A lot of investors have taken profits. So when you take profits or when you sell, that brings the stock price down. That brings the share price down. That's why I'm telling you, for a rinse and repeat opportunity, be scooping these things up in that 790 range. If you see the sixes at any point in time, you want to kind of be really scooping up what you can as we anticipate another run to that $10 level, okay? Also, the Supreme Court voted in late June to strike down President Biden's student loan forgiveness. Again, these are some of the reasons that the stock not only went up, however, when it went up, they sold the news, and so share price value came down. Please make a note of that for me, okay? Guys, take a quick look at this chart. This is the 1 hour chart. I want you to see the black line at the bottom. That is your 200-day moving average. And as you can see, that is sitting at or around that 790 level. I'm showing you that. I'm trying to get you guys in the habit of loving the charts, because why? The money is in the charts. I also have a huge buy zone in that area, because that is an area of support that I'm anticipating. I want to get more shares of this on my journey, okay, my 1 to 3 year time horizon, so that I can continue to make money in this, run it up, take some profit. When it comes back down, rinse and repeat. That's all I do. That's been my claim to fame this entire time, since 2020 days up until now, guys. It's tried and true. The stocks go up, they hit a price, they come right back down. You rebuy it again, it runs right back up, comes right back down. A couple years later, it's just a cycle. And if you can begin to take hold of that, you can make a killing managing your risks along the way, okay? With that being said, guys, SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, sitting at $8.05. Again, we like to accumulate this anywhere between $8 and below. So again, let me know how many shares you have of this. Let me know what your average cost is, but continue to do the work, continue to build this out when this is in our buy zones, guys. Hopefully you screenshotted that, but check this out. Upcoming activity. Check this out, guys. I told you, a huge order on standby, okay? Meaning I plan on buying 300 shares the next time it touches 790. Just accumulating, buying in my buy zones, never chasing, never having a fear of missing out. And if we break down past 790, I'll have another buy for 770, 750. If I get it lucky enough to see the sixes on this particular pullback, the same principles apply. Why? Because long term, I'm telling you, I'm anticipating this going to that $8, $10, $12 range. Why not do the work down here? Make a killing just for holding the stock as it appreciates in value, okay? They should have a pretty good upcoming earnings report, okay? I'm not foreseeing anything too crazy, so therefore I'm expecting good things. I'm expecting continued positivity in this for the time being, okay? But guess what? I'll have my stop loss exactly where I told you guys at, so that in the event that something happens, flash crash, a black swan event, something I'm not prepared for, guess what, guys? I'm covered, okay? I'll be out at a level that I can get out, reassess, and then determine if I want to get back in. And that's the beauty. Yep, you might take a little hit, you might take a small loss, but you keep the bulk and the majority of your capital intact, so that you can then jump back in the market, whether it's in that current play or a new play you might have your eyes on. And then guess what? You do the process all over again, take it to the upside, see profit, take profit, get in and get out, not overstaying your welcome, okay? Listen, guys, I just want to put that on you today. Hopefully these weekends video were helpful for you. Hopefully it added value to your life. If it did, please make sure you like and subscribe. Join us on the journey. Also, guys, don't forget to join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. The money team will be back in full effect this particular week. We had a short week last week, holiday in the middle of the day, half day, one of the days. So, hey, we didn't do anything. This particular week, we're getting back in our bag. We're getting back to the money. So please make sure you join us if you haven't already, so we can make some money first thing Monday morning, okay? If that sounds like a plan, do me a favor, guys. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.